Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to create and fully customize an image carousel on Google Sites, a complete step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you want to showcase your photos, products, or any visual content, this tutorial will make your site more dynamic and engaging. First, open your Google site and navigate to the Insert panel on the right-hand side. From there, select Image Carousel. To get started, you need at least 2 images, which you can either upload from your device or select directly from Google Drive or Google Images. Once your images are added, you can easily reorder them by dragging and dropping. But that's not all. You can also customize how your carousel behaves. Click the Settings gear icon, and here you can choose to auto-start the carousel or display navigation dots, giving your visitors an interactive experience. After adjusting everything to your liking, simply click Insert, and your carousel will appear right on your page. You can resize or move it around to fit perfectly with your site's layout. And just like that, you've created a professional-looking image carousel that captures attention instantly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your own site and watch your content come to life with stunning visuals.